Yes, you too can create eye-catching animations like this. Want to see more?
Our first stop is Addition Valley, where we'll learn how to add numbers together to find their total. Let's say we have 2 mangoes and 3 bananas. How many pieces of fruit do we have in total?
In a diverse country like Nigeria, our languages and cultures are what make us unique, but sometimes they can create barriers where we need most understanding.
Asusuna ya rufe. Ina buƙatar kuɗina yanzu.
Hi, I'm Dr. Adams, and I am an optometrist. Who is an optometrist? Previously known as ophthalmic opticians. Optometrists are primarily healthcare specialists trained to examine the eyes to detect defects.
Did you know you can be a millionaire by buying any SoClean scan and win detergent carton? SoClean is here with an exciting new offer with lots of amazing.
With making maximum profits whilst trading, or do you have little or no?
Having a rough day? Well, everyone deserves to be happy and cheerful. Even an emoji does. How about a trophy lager beer made from the best and finest ingredients to help brighten up your day?
If you like what you see, tap the Yes, I want to learn animation button to get started today.